If you guys do not have a lot of history when you apply for these credit cards, if you guys do not have a lot of history, a lot of times they're not going to be able to approve you for the card. A lot of times, like when you pre-qualify for it, they're not going to be able to pre-qualify you, especially if you only had one other account in the past. It's best that you guys start building your credit by having multiple accounts. Let them report to the credit bureaus maybe for about 6 months, and then at that time you're going to be able to see you have so many more options of actually getting approved for credit cards, because now you have accounts reporting to the credit bureaus. And start at the basics if you want. Capital One, maybe Federal, Discover. You just need to start having accounts reporting to the credit bureaus, even if they're secured. Like you can go from secure to American Express. You can, but you just need to have these accounts reporting and get the ones I told you, Discover and maybe Federal, because those can go to a very good account. Okay. Those can actually graduate to a great account. Now, this one we're talking about the CareCredit. So with the CareCredit, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but the CareCredit needs to see some type of action. Like they need to see that you had other credit cards. Like when I got approved for the CareCredit card, I think at that time I had at least 7 accounts reporting, if not more. And then that didn't even include like my student loans. But with the CareCredit, they are going to want to see that you have some type of history on there. So definitely try to see if you can get some, not try, definitely get some more accounts added to your credit reports, and then come back to see if they can pre-qualify you. Okay. And I suggest like every month you can come back and see if you can get pre-qualified after you apply for those additional accounts. But you can't just have like one account. If you really don't have history, CareCredit is not like the credit you want to get. You have to have history. So go ahead and get like the Navy Federal, get the Navy Federal, get the Discover, get the Capital One. Try for those. You can get Mission Lane, the Prosper, get some type of accounts added to your credit reports. And once you get those added, then you're going to have a greater chance of actually getting approved. So just go back, ask them to pre-qualify you, then most likely they are going to be